Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I make a video. Today, as you can see from the title, I'll be doing what I eat in a day. So, yes, enjoy. Alright, so I normally start off the day with breakfast, and breakfast was prepared today by mommy. So let's see what we are gonna have for breakfast. So we're having curry and egg. So that's for breakfast.
What? Hello, suit yourself. Mommy chef. Say hi to vlog. Hi.
Yeah, right. Alright, so now we're going to have fruits. So yes, all that is mine and fruits. You know, certain people have bad mind. She take all the fruits. Look at her.
I mean, I eat that, so this is all mine.
This is good for your papa.
This bad.
Star fruit.
Don't do it. Why she don't want police to come for you?
So, yeah. I'll see you at break time. Alright guys, I'll be having waffles. A snack for the day. Alright guys, so now I'm having fruit smoothie made by my sister. And then I'm a little smoothie what? Yeah, I drink smoothie. Now I'm having a cheese sandwich with sorry, still a keep. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the last thing for dinner. I'm going to be having fish, yam with mixed, what do you call this? Pop choy and dumpling, and that's for dinner. Alright guys, so I'm having this little snack before bed. Yeah, I know. I just like to have ice cream. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't mind my hairstyle. Took a shower, but you know, head was giving me a little, it was too tight, so I pulled it out. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Tell me some of the things that you eat in a day. That is just a typical, some stuff I eat in a day. Not every day I eat like that, trust me. I guess because I'm doing this video, I try to have a lot of stuff. But yeah, comment down below what you like to eat in a day, or what are some of the things that you eat in a day. Have a good one. Love you guys. Baby,